Today, we're diving into the world of KWGT widgets with the top 3 apps to help you customize your Android home screen. If you're ready to transform your device, let's jump right in. Wolfie for KWGT. Wolfie for KWGT is a highly customizable widget pack designed to enhance the aesthetic of your Android home screen. This collection includes a variety of beautifully crafted widgets that range from minimalistic designs to more vibrant and detailed layouts. Users can personalize their widgets with options for colors, sizes, and layouts to suit their preferences. Wolfie focuses on providing a seamless user experience, ensuring that each widget integrates perfectly with the overall theme of your device. Whether it's clocks, weather information, or calendar events, Wolfie for KWGT allows users to create a unique and visually appealing home screen. Chocolate KWGT. Chocolate KWGT is a stylish widget pack that features a delightful assortment of widgets designed with a modern and playful aesthetic. This app offers a wide range of widget styles, including clocks, music players, and weather widgets, all characterized by their soft, appealing design elements. Chocolate KWGT places a strong emphasis on usability and customization, allowing users to tweak widget properties for a more personalized touch. The pack is regularly updated with new designs, ensuring users always have fresh and trendy options for their home screens. With its charming style, Chocolate KWGT is perfect for users seeking to add a touch of whimsy to their device. Orca for KWGT. Orca for KWGT is an innovative widget pack that combines modern design with functional features. It offers a diverse selection of widgets that cater to various needs, including clocks, weather forecasts, and system information displays. The app stands out with its sleek and sophisticated design, focusing on clean lines and an organized layout. Orca allows for significant customization, enabling users to change colors, themes, and sizes to match their personal style. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through different widget options. Orca for KWGT is ideal for those who want a contemporary look while accessing essential information right from their home screen. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Wolfie for KWGT, Chocolate KWGT, and Orca for KWGT inspires you to personalize your Android experience with unique widgets. See you next time, and happy customizing!